Hi, welcome back to my final morning report. Charter Pros on Monday, the 9th of December, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at gold, and I find it interesting that gold has sort of found support as the euro has, but I still think that gold is likely to continue to play out a negative outlook. With using this rally as a chance to sell, because you've got this overhead resistance now, 1077 up towards 1098. That's a big band of resistance in my opinion, and what we've just seen is unwinding, I think, back into that band. And I'm not necessarily seeing anything more than necessarily just an unwinding of sort of oversold position really here. You've seen the RSI sort of back towards 50. Uh, and unless you see the RSI building above 50, I'm not expecting really this to be anything much more than a bit of an oversold rally, giving another chance to sell, because you've got this big band of resistance. I say 101. I say 1077. 1080 also is a key pivot level as well. Key overhead resistance starts to come back in around that, and then up towards 1098. But obviously that key reaction high at 1088.70 still there. But what I'd be saying is that this mini rally, this recovery, is sort of I think could even be already running out of a bit of steam. And you could argue that that uptrend is being tested now, that we've seen that uptrend in the last sort of 3 or 4 days is being tested. So that overhead resistance 1080 seems to be sort of coming into play again. The little rally is sort of rolling over on the RSI. MACD line's fairly shallow in their advance in the last sort of day or so. Stochastics also rolling over, so we could even be that this mini rally is already running out of steam again. So the fact is that if you form another lower high, which I've been expecting actually, another lower high below that 1088.70 mark, then I'd say that that would be bearish, and you'd start to think that that could well be that selling opportunity. So currently we've got 1078.50 in place. Last few hours that's failed to sort of breach above that, and obviously that is underneath that 1080 resistance. So we're starting to see, I think, already possibly the beginnings of this rally rolling over. So one to watch, I think, today, because it's not by any means certain that this is a failing rally, but it certainly looks as though it's building for that sort of way, and I'd be certainly be a bit wary of backing too much of the upside before the gold price starts to fall away again. I'd still be trading gold on a very near-term basis. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.